Hey guys, Green Leo Man here. Today's episode is how to change out the stock speakers in the Matrix Nexa 4S. I'd gotten a comment from a subscriber and I told him I'd make a video on it. So without further ado, here we go. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, just a quick little video here, guys. Grab yourself a tool, something like this if you got it, or a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful with it. And get it just under the grill, and then you can... Hold on. You gotta get a good grab on it. Come on, you fucker. There you go. And then you can pop it off. And it pops off with the ring. You can see what it pops through. And it goes through all these. And then you've got I don't know, it looks like a 4-inch maybe smaller. I don't know, I was wrong when I said it was a 6-inch. As you can see from here, it's not a 6-inch. A 6-inch would be around the whole side. I thought it fit just inside that ring, but no, it's a cheater ring. So I'm going to get this speaker out, and then I'll show you what the ohms and the watts are. Alright, so now that we have it out, we are looking at a 4 ohm 25 watt speaker. So if you want to replace it with something better, undo the zip tie, clip these wires, hook your new speaker up and put it in. So once you've done that, you put the 4 screws back in, and then you line up these clips with those clips and just press it in. If I end up actually putting in like a 6-inch speaker or something like that, I'll make a video of how I cut it and modded it and got it to screw in and stuff, but that's another video for another time. So if you like this video and you want to see more great content from my channel, feel free to watch this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.